Hey amazing designers, welcome back to PPPDesigner, your one-stop destination for design tips, tools and resources. Today I am sharing 5 incredible websites to super change your projects with stunning illustrations. Whether you are working on UI designs, presentation or storytelling visuals, these platforms are a gold mine, ready to discover something unique, practical and relatable. Let's jump in. Imagine working on a project with tight deadline and needing high quality illustration that seamlessly match your design style. There where Unrun become your savior. Unrun offers an extensive library of open source illustration that are versatile, customizable and free to use in personal and commercial projects. Fully scalable SPG files that adapt to any screen size without losing any quality. A built-in color editor to match illustration to your brand palette instantly. No attribution required, making it ideal for professional and client work. Use and run to create onboarding screen, landing page graphics, or even PowerPoint presentation. Experiment with the color picker to keep your design cohesive and visually appealing. Have you ever thought about adding a touch of hand drawn to your designs that makes people stop and take notice? Absorb Design is your creative playground. Absorb Design is a collection of unconventional hand drawn illustrations that focus on storytelling. These are perfect for brand looking for something outstanding the ordinary. Highly expensive, impactful, and several visual that convey abstract ideal effectively. A combination of free and premium assets to suit different budgets. Use these illustration on blog headers, portfolio pages, or error screens for a distinctive touch. Combine them with minimalistic background to make the artwork pop. Icons 8 illustration is like a Swiss army knife for designers. It has everything you need for any type of projects. Icon 8 illustration provides a vast library of style from flat illustration to isometric designs and even 3D assets. Search by theme or style to find exactly what you need. Regular updates with fresh content to stay ahead of trends. All assets come from customizable colors and layers. Use icon set for creating banners, social media posts, or educational material. Mix and match different style from the library to experiment with unique combinations. Example, their 3D assets are great for modern tech related designs, while the flat illustration work wonders for simple and clean layout. Ever wish you could deserve customizable human illustration without spending hours? Meet Humans, the ultimate toolkit for designers. Humans is a library of mix and match illustration featuring human characters. You can adjust hairstyle, outfits, pose, and more. Drag and drop is easy for creating characters that fit your brand. Diversity in appearance, making it inclusive and relatable. Fully compatible with design tools like Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD. Use humans to bring life to presentation slides, team introduction pages, or app screens. Pair with minimalistic background to make the character stand out. There is one example I have for a recent app design. I personally use humans to create custom avatars that aligned perfectly with the app playful and user friendly theme. Gradient heavy. Modern illustration are trending, and IRA design gives you a hand start on creating stunning visuals effortlessly. IRA design focus on abstract illustration that utilize gradient, making them ideal for futuristic and modern theme. Unique gradient palettes to add more depth and dimension. Multiple files format including SPG and PNG for each of use. A library tailored for projects in tech, education or creative field. Use these assets for hero section or websites or splash screen in mobile apps. Combine them with simple typography to create visually compelling layout. I also have an example for this. I recently used IRA design gradient background for an e-learning app which I personally work on it, and it's instantly elevate the overall look and user experience. And that's it, designers. These 5 platforms are absolutely game changing. So, which one of you are excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with your design friends. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot to create more stunning videos like this for you. It's me, Triple P Designers. For more design tips and resources, hit that bell icon so you will never miss out any update. Until next time, stay creative. Bye bye.